from Charge Murder Medics. I've got a Mercedes SL500 here. This is quite an old one. I think it's on an NRED, so that's 95, 96. Now what we're doing is we're doing a fog lamp on this. If you just start the car up, please. Hear the sound of it as well. It's nice. It sounds so nice, doesn't it? Now, can you switch the lights on? Put your fog lights on. Now you can see either this one or this one. That's the fog lamp. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you how to replace it. Now lights off, car engine off as well, please. Now all you got to do on this one, it's the most easiest one to do, which you've got a little button right here. So it's like a clip, basically you push it in, the whole thing comes out. And how's that? That's so cool. Now I take it, so you've got the indicator right in that corner there. Then you might have, this is the tail light, position lamp. That's the brake light. That's the reverse light. And this is going to be a fog light. Let's just see. Oh, that's no good. Right, okay, so the bulb is broken. So this is definitely not good. As you can see right there. Now it is a single filament bulb, which is a 382 bulb. You can find that in the description if you did want one. What we're going to now do is replace it, put it on, that's lovely, and then push it back in. That's it, job done. Could we just switch the lights on, please? Start the car up. Yeah, that's it, that's lovely. Bingo, that was right, it's all done. Now if there's anything else you need to know, there's a playlist for Mercedes, do check it out. And comment us below, we'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.